Now, with the Kota Rao, Prime Minister Narendra Modi challenged the opposition Congress to give in writing to the people of the country that it would not introduce religion-based reservations. He also added that Congress should take a pledge that it would not try to change the constitution of the country during a massive last-leg campaign in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's home state of Gujarat. He challenged the Congress to give a guarantee in writing and asserted that as long as he is alive, he will not allow anyone to play the game of reservation. Moreover, he also added that the Congress's media ecosystem will try to muffle his challenge to protect Congress. As the Kota war continues, the Congress asked Prime Minister Narendra Modi to clear his stance on whether he will remove the 50% cap on reservations of SC, ST and other backward classes. Let's listen into what Prime Minister Narendra Modi had to say.
इंडी गठबंधन की मेरी ये चुनौती है कि घोषित करे कि वो गारंटी दे देश को, लिखित में दे, क्योंकि उन पे भरोसा नहीं कर सकते कि वो धर्म के आधार पर आरक्षण नहीं देंगे, घोषित करें। दूसरी घोषणा करें, एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी और सामान्य वर्ग के आरक्षण को कभी भी हाथ नहीं लगाएंगे। करें घोषणा? नहीं करेंगे। मैं जानता हूं ये कभी भी ऐसा लिखकर नहीं दे पाएंगे। और देखना, मीडिया का उनकी जो जमात है ना, जो उनके गाजे बाजे बजाते हैं, वो मेरी इस चैलेंज को ही दबा देंगे, क्योंकि उनकी रक्षा में लगे हैं।
Well, of course, viewers, there you heard it. Meanwhile, joining us at this point of time is my colleague Mehendi Garg. Mehendi, of course, Prime Minister Narendra Modi there openly challenging the Congress, as far as the Kota Rao is concerned. Give our viewers details on this.
Well, yes, Asavri, ahead of third phase of the elections, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given big statements in a rally while he was addressing people in the Baskanta district of Gujarat, because right now a third phase of voting in the Gujarat is very much ahead of us. And in his statements, he made huge allegations and claims about the Congress party that they will do reservations on the basis of religion. And also he has targeted Congress and also the India Alliance that when Narendra Modi is there and Bharatiya Janata Party is there, then Congress party cannot do anything like this, and they cannot do any kind of disturbance in the constitution and in the reservation program for the SC, STs and OBCs quota. Also, Narendra Modi has mentioned that till he is alive, he will not let that happen also. And while addressing Rahul Gandhi as Shehzada, along with Rahul Gandhi, he has targeted Congress party overall and also the India Alliance and asked for a written statement from the Congress party along with the India Alliance that they will not do reservation on the basis of religion, and they will not do any kind of changes in the constitution or the reservation quota, because it's in the constitution and it's the right of SC, STs and OBCs according to the constitution to have the reservation quota. So in his rally and in his statements, big words are coming out of Prime Minister's mouth ahead of third phase of elections. And also Gujarat is very important for Bharatiya Janata Party, and also in the lookout from the Lok Sabha elections also. So Prime Minister Modi taking a jibe at Rahul Gandhi, calling him Shehzada and talking about reservation about the SC, STs and quotas, and openly challenging Congress party and all the India Alliance to give a written statement that they will not do reservation on the basis of religion is a very big thing ahead of the Lok Sabha elections and the third phase of voting. And also the fight from Mangal Sutra, now it has come to the reservation quotas all over India and specifically in Gujarat, because in his statements and while addressing the rally in Gujarat, he made all these statements.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.